So we got the ending, and then we got the like 90% of the song.
Yeah.
And then yung mga flirty parts,
The accents.
yeah, we can. I like.
Hindi mo kaya yung parang may cowbell.
Kind of like. You want to try that? Okay. It sounds like Saturday Night Live. More cowbell. Yeah, I like it though. I don't know if I can do it. I'm singing.
Oh, yeah. Maybe kayo muna, then before pumunta dun.
Maybe when I get better at playing, but I like his opinion.
Yeah.
I love.
Yung baksakan. Ganyan lang. Jug-jug.
Yeah.
Before you transition.
Yun yung nahihirapan ako with the intro.
After 8 counts.
Like how many? The intro. Because it's just the intro.
Do you want to try that?
Hindi natin.
Okay.
If you want to.
Uh,
Yeah, let's go.
1, 2, 3. Napapasok ko na rin. Jug-jug.
Right
Sabay tayo.
there.
Oo, sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. After na 8, tsaka ka papasok.
Okay. You're fucking nuts. You're fucking nuts. I have never. Yeah, that's cool. I find it cool. I never count. I never count.
Count.
I find it. In fact, I told Clem, I'm never gonna fucking count.
I always go by feel.
I did. I never fucking counted the. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuck. I gotta unlearn that. I'll learn that. Ren is teaching me shit. See?
Parang siyang
Did you take lessons?
No,
And it's not really 8, it's like a 9, right?
sanay ka ba?
Yeah, it's like a 1. Like the
Yeah, 1.
Yeah.
1 pala, 1. Tama.
Sorry.
Last song. Sige. Okay, last song. Sige.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.